In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send MP3 files on WhatsApp web. First things first, let's get you to the starting point. Open your preferred browser and type in web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Hitting enter will take you to the WhatsApp web page. If you're already logged in, you'll see all your messages right away. If not, take a moment to scan the QR code with your phone's WhatsApp application to synchronize your account. This step ensures that you can access your chats on your computer, mirroring what's on your mobile device. Once you've arrived at the main screen of WhatsApp web, look to the left side where your ongoing chats are listed. Now you might be wondering how to pick the right conversation to send an MP3 file to. Simply click on the contact you want to share music or an audio recording with. If it's a new conversation, you can start it by searching for the contact's name at the top of the chat list and clicking on it. Now that you've selected your contact, let's proceed to the actual sending of the MP3 file. Look at the chat window and you'll notice a paperclip icon or a plus icon near the bottom right. This is your go-to button for attaching any files or media. Click on it to unveil multiple options for attachment. Among the options presented, you'll find photos and videos. I know it might seem a bit misleading considering we're here to send an MP3 file. However, WhatsApp cleverly groups multiple media types under this option. Go ahead and select it. This will open your computer's file explorer. Navigate through your folders to find where your desired MP3 file is located. This could be in your downloads folder, music folder, or wherever you've saved your audio files. Once you've found your MP3 file, click on it to select it. If you have multiple files to send, you can select more than one by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and clicking on each file. After selecting the files, click on the Open button to proceed. After selecting your MP3 file, you'll notice it appears as an attachment in your chat window. This is your chance to add a caption or any message you want to accompany your file. This step is optional, so you can skip it if you want your music to speak for itself. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to hit send. Look for the send button, typically represented by a paper airplane icon next to your attachment. Click it and voila, your MP3 file is on its way to your contact. It may take a few moments to upload depending on the file size and your internet speed, but once it's sent, you'll see it appear in your chat window. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to share music, audio recordings, or any MP3 files with your friends and family through WhatsApp web. This feature is especially handy for sharing those personal recordings, podcasts, or any audio content that you can't just put in words. As you can see, the process is pretty straightforward, but here are a few tips to make your experience even smoother. Ensure that your internet connection is stable before sending large files to avoid any interruptions. Also, it's worth noting that WhatsApp compresses files to speed up the sending process, which might slightly affect the quality of your audio files. However, for most casual sharing, this should not be a concern. That wraps up our guide on how to send MP3 files on WhatsApp web. Whether you're sharing your latest music discovery, a funny voice note, or important audio messages, the process is now at your fingertips. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks to get the most out of your favorite apps and services. Happy sharing!